Roll forming is a metal forming process in which the material strip undergoes a series of folding or bending processes, or both, to get a desired shape. Roll forming is used in producing products such as door panels, metal roofing sheets, automotive frames, road barriers, electrical cable supporters, storage racks, and steel drawers. The modern-day roll forming process has evolved from using material strips that pass through stationary dies supported on a draw bench to using roll forming equipment such as a roll forming machine and forming rolls, which together enable mass production of the formed product or profile. The roll forming process is widely used for ferrous materials such as mild steel and non-ferrous materials such as aluminum, copper, and brass. Some non-metallic materials like plastic can also be roll formed. Some of the major advantages of roll forming include the following: producing hollow and semi-hollow shapes, reducing handling costs, and eliminating post-process finishing by integrating secondary operations into the roll forming line, such as piercing, punching, and bending. Ability to roll form different materials into a single product. Obtaining superior surface finish without dye marks. Producing economical and efficiently shaped products. Ability to redesign and reuse roll forming tools such as forming rolls and side rolls for different products with minimum variation in design. And capable of producing products in higher volumes efficiently when compared to other metal forming processes. Some of the limitations of roll forming include the following: requires highly skilled engineers and technicians to design the process and set up the roll forming line. Requires periodic checks of the tools and equipment and a high level of maintenance. And can be expensive for low volume production.